how to rewind Twitch live stream. So today I'm going to show you how you can rewind your Twitch live stream. So if you want to rewind the Twitch live stream, then you'll need to follow the simple steps. Now, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you have logged into your Twitch TV account. So go with your browser and then search for www.twitch.com or twitch.tv, and then you need to go and sign into your account or log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, go ahead and locate the live that you want to rewind from the list of channels. I'll just simply go and select the first one right here, after which you need to go ahead and watch it out. You could just simply go with the live section, and then you can make it the full screen like this. And there's a settings option which will be in the bottom right. You need to just simply click on the settings option. Now here you could see the options and check it. Now, if the streamer has enabled this feature, then you should go ahead and see a rewind option as well in this particular settings option. But if the streamer has not enabled this option, then you could simply go ahead and click on report playback issue. Go ahead and notify what is actually the issue and just simply go and click on submit. Then you have to wait for a couple of seconds so that the person will add the rewind playback option. And once you find the rewind option, drag the slider to the left and the video will start playing from the point selecting, allowing you to watch earlier parts of the broadcast. Now, keeping this in mind that there are many delays in broadcast as well as the playback that you're watching. So if you're watching a recorded video, then you can do this thing such as pause and play and all that. But if you're watching a live, then you won't be able to rewind the live stream. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.